Okay, today we're going to make some barbecue seasoned smoked Chex Mix. This stuff is outstanding. It's like crack. I can't resist it. What I do different than the standard recipe that you find on the web is I use a barbecue rub. Use whatever rub you like. Sweeter ones will make a sweeter Chex Mix, spicier, etc. I kind of use the one in the middle, but I change it up from time to time. What I do is take the seasoned Chex Mix, put it into a disposable aluminum pan, and smoke it on my Rectech pellet smoker. There's different pellet smokers out there, but I love my Rectech. They're basically just a wood-fired convection oven with a digital control. So easy to use, wonderful flavor. So let's get started on this recipe. You're going to need 1 cup of Rice Chex, 1 cup of Wheat Chex, 1 cup of Corn Chex, 1 cup of Cheezits. Use any flavored Cheezits that you like. I really like the Tabasco flavor ones. 1 cup of Cheerios. 1 cup of salted mixed nuts. 1 cup of small pretzels, any shape you like. Now just mix everything thoroughly. All right, now let's make the wet seasoning mix. Okay, first you're going to need a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Half a stick of butter. One tablespoon of barbecue rub. This is your choice. Whatever your favorite is, try something new. And half a teaspoon of hot sauce. Again, this is your choice. You can go with Tabasco, it has a little smoky flavor, something milder like Frank's, or you go habanero or even ghost pepper if you like the heat like I do. But for right now, I'm going to use Tabasco kind of in the middle. Okay, once all the ingredients are placed inside of a microwave-safe dish, go ahead and microwave it for 30 seconds and see how it is. Give it a stir. Microwave it some more if necessary. This will vary depending on your microwave. Let's go ahead and move this back over here so you can mix it. All right, just go ahead and mix it all up so it's all combined. Okay, once it's all combined, just go ahead and pour it over the Chex Mix. And then give it a really good mix to get it thoroughly coated over all the pieces. As you're stirring, you see here there's liquid in the bottom. That means you're not done. Keep stirring. Alright, see, all liquid's gone. It's been absorbed by the Chex Mix. So now we're ready to go in the smoker. See, everything's nice and evenly coated. Alright, turn it on. Adjust the temperature down to 225. And wait till it comes to temperature. Right now it's at 64 degrees outside. Okay, it's up to temperature, 225 degrees, standard smoking temp. Go ahead and put this on. Now we're going to put this in here for about 15 minutes and come back and give it a stir every 15 minutes for about an hour. Maybe a little longer, it's going to vary. And this is stir number one. And please excuse difficulty here. My tripod has nothing to sit on for a good angle, so I have to do this one-handed. Now you'll notice the sound, it's very dull sounding when you move the pieces around aluminum. As it dries out, you'll see through the video, it'll get a higher pitch sound. Okay, mix number two. It's been about 15 minutes. This is irritating, using only one hand. Okay, mix number three. You need to tell the change in the sound. It's getting a higher pitch. Alright, this is mix number 4, so it makes it about an hour. If you notice, it's not sticking, it's sliding around easier in the pan. And it's also got that higher pitch. It's getting harder, it's drying out, which is what we want. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the temperature up to 300 to make it nice and crispy. This is the last step. It's been about 15 minutes since we turned it to 300. You can hear and see the difference. Alright, let's get this turned off and get these upstairs for a taste test. Gotta love a pellet smoker. Just push a button and walk away. Okay, let's give these a try. Oh my God, these are so good. Oh my precious, my precious. These are fantastic. I love this stuff. 2 thumbs up. Let's have some more. I got to. Oh, so good. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to go make myself sick. As always, thank you for watching my videos. It's greatly appreciated. And please, if you like them, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.